Okay, so answer.
Hi guys. Today I'm called Brianna. I'm from showering now. That girl that was playing the game with her mom.
So it's time for picking your toys. You can pick your toys.
So right now it's time for my picking my toys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So guys, we use these Gosheni. It's an old one.
Basket.
To keep the toys.
Safe. Ooh, mirror. I have to put it inside there. Oh no! Mickey Mouse. Guys, want to see Mickey Mouse? Here is he. Snap.
Okay, finish picking your toys. You'll play later.
And they have just broke. Sorry, Mickey. Bye. Baby shark, dee-dee-dee-dee. Yeah, hello. Mickey, Minnie. Baby. Oh, this is hot. Wow.
So guys, we are recording. This is us cleaning up after the kids have played. We are picking all the toys. So, Mama, have you finished?
Not yet, my move.
What?
There is an insect.
Okay, pick the other ones.
Oh no, I'm tired. I'm out of
No,
battery.
pick all the toys.
It's all your time.
Pick all the toys.
No, it's like this. It's if I'm out of battery, it's your time. I'm out of battery, I shall record.
Wait for you're blocking with your finger.
I was cleaning, but I'm out of battery now. I'm out of battery, but now it's her turn. You want to
Have you
clean up.
finished?
You want to clean up.
No. Have you finished?
No, yeah.
Huh?
Not yet.
Okay, let me finish.
Now start.
I'm done.
Okay.
Okay, I think I'm done for today. That's it. Let me come and sit.
So
You can, yeah, like that.
So guys,
Meka karibu, weka mbali.
so guys, let me hold it. So guys, did you enjoy our video? You say yes. Did you enjoy our video for today? And we were the same person that we were playing that game, right?
Yeah, yes. So
I
guys,
was out from showering, but now I look like this. So guys, subscribe, like, follow, share, and there's a important thing. do the thing, like, share, subscribe to our channel. You press, we'll give you Robux. We'll give you Robux. And there is something that is magical that we'll do, and we'll give you Robux. See you tomorrow as our visitor Helen talks to us through me. I am looking. Well, Helen Timbia at the Yambo.
No, it's just
Watch
Helen Timbia.
us.
Say Helen Timbia.
Helen Timbia,
Yes.
watch us.
So, bring.
That I give her the phone. She talks to us with the vlog.
Okay.
Thanks for watching my video. Give her.
Don't go anywhere. When you hold the camera, Mama, you hold it at a distance. You hold it like this. Let me show you. Like this. You see? It cannot fall unless your hands are small. And you're looking smart today. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go?
Somewhere.
Where? Because you're so looking so smart.
Where to see, guys? I want this magical belt. I want to go to Chicken. That's why I'm going to.
You're going somewhere?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. You're even wearing a hat.
Yeah. So the sun cannot burn.
No, the sun is not there. You're sure?
Yeah, it's true.
You're not going somewhere else special?
I'm going somewhere else special.
Where are you going so that I can follow you?
I'm going to there.
I want to follow you. Just let me know where you're going. Where are you going?
I'm going for a round.
Speak loudly.
I'm going for a round.
Okay.
And then I go and buy juice.
Okay.
And I'm gonna buy sweet ice or anything I want.
Okay.
That's where I'm going.
Will you bring me some?
Yeah.
You bring me some?
Biscuits.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, mommy. That's nice. Because today you're just looking extra smart. Okay.
But
Tell
except
our
you.
viewers to like and share our channel.
Like, share, follow, do everything. And if I look smart, you shall subscribe and you shall follow and you shall do the special thing that I said right now.
That's it, guys. So for today, that's all we had for today. Today it was just a cleaning day. We were just picking up toys that were
Yeah.
scattered everywhere.
And please subscribe.
Okay, let me finish. Let me finish, and then it's almost what's now? Let me finish. Okay. So guys, you please subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to Brianna Howie's channel. Brianna
Which
and
one?
Mommy. Brianna and Mommy.
Brianna and Helen.
Yes. So subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Bye, guys. And guys, as our sister comes tomorrow, we are going to make a new video family channel.
Oh, by the way, tomorrow my other daughter is coming back from school, so
We're
Brianna is happy. See
We
that?
are gonna make a family channel video, right?
Yes.
So thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow.